Hey folks, I'm HP, this is Dr. Pink, and today I'm gonna show you a cool, very cool summer jazz lick, which you can use on a F7 chord in a jazz blues setting or any other setting, and this is how it sounds. Yeah, wasn't it cool? Wasn't it easy? And it looks cool because you play a little bit over the fretboard, but still it's not too hard to play. So even the, let's say, intermediate player amongst you still have a good chance to manage this. And this was tempo 120. So let's check it out how this lick is played. I consider this a long meter jazz lick because we are playing over 3 or 4 positions, starting here. I mean, you could play it in other positions, but in this position here, it's the easiest way, and it's the easy way to get the speed. Even if you would play it on tempo 108, it's still no problem here, because you have this one thing on the D string. It starts here, 3rd fret on the D string, 5th, 6th, 7th, and then here the 5th fret G string and 6th fret B string. See? Now the rhythm is the point, which is a little bit tricky, is the phrasing. So the lick starts in 4 and. So if you count 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so the 1 is here. And here we have a triplet, means 3 notes per beat. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. And here we 2 and. So the licks sounds pretty easy, but really pay attention to the proper phrasing, setting it on the right counting times. 1, 2, 3, 4. See? And now comes the second bar. This is a F9 chord, but the upper part of it. Here we have bar in the 8th and D string in the 7th. This is the upper part of this F9, but we just play the upper part. And the rhythm is 1, 2, and 3, 4. And when we move down on the 6th fret, we slide up back. And to make the effect a little bit cooler, we give some extra vibrator. Not vibrato, vibrator. Meaning, when you're here, we give a little bit vibrato with the entire guitar, or you could also make a natural chorus effect. Did you hear the natural chorus effect? This is another trick which I'm sometimes doing. If you want to have the vibrato effect, you just move backward and forward with the guitar and press a little bit with the arm here against it. What is this called in English? In German it's der Hals, the neck. That the neck moves a little bit, and this gives a vibrato effect. See? If you want to do the chorus effect, then you pull in one direction a little bit away and always give a little pressure here. See? See, there was a chorus effect, the natural one, without having a chorus installed. So now comes the thing. Put this in line. playing first the vibrato effect, second time, or tremolo effect, second time the chorus effect. Now if you want to have it more, giving more grip, you do this. These big West Montgomery chords. This is basically an F5 chord, 5th fret, 6th fret on the B string, 8th fret on the E string, slide up in the 8th fret and back to the 5th. And here you take all of them and slide back down. And here I want to do these effects which I described before, because we want to have this crunchy thing here going on, but the rhythm is the same. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you want to have the true Wes Montgomery sound thing, you slide up and back down. See, with the sliding up you get this effect which we want. And I forgot, the rhythm of the chords is 1, 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3. See, 4. Now this is a typical method how you can develop a motif in a jazz blues setting, by having a first motif but as a question, and the answer, question, answer, question again, other answer. And this makes the whole thing interesting and keeps the whole thing together. So it doesn't matter if the first part of the lick repeats itself, because the answer alters, and that makes the whole thing interesting. So let's play the whole thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, folks, that was my little jazz blues lick, long meter jazz blues lick, here at the end of summer 2018, which was very hot, so I didn't work so much. So the tutorials during summer were a little bit short, but I was not totally lazy. I just released a new CD. Check it out on iTunes, Spotify. It's called Acoustic Swiss Blues. And the wonderful woman on the cover setting is my good friend Manuela. And I made a visit and I saw the photo which she made with her mobile. I said, I want to have this cover. Check it out. I'm going to make an extended thing on the CD, but I just want to say it now. Good, that was it more or less. Oh, yeah, no. Something is remaining. The color. How you bring the smoothness into it. Stay cool. It's the color orange, as you can see. Just imagine that you walk down some sideway. Just coolness with the rainbow, like with the umbrella, not the rainbow, with the umbrella in your head, like blah, 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 blah. You know what I mean? And then stay cool, relaxed. And that's the trick to make it more smooth. And very important, foot on 2 and 4. If you don't have your foot on 2 and 4, it will not be jazz, it will not be smooth. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can even add the 2/4 beat when you have time, as I did before here on the strings. And that gives it more groove. See? Even without drum. It's groovy. It's orange. Oops, I just messed it up. Yeah, that was it more or less. If you love the tutorial, make a donation on my website, hpcrazy.com. You can make a donation for the HPCrazy Academy. All amounts are welcome. All goes back to the HPCrazy Academy. Follow me on Twitter, on Facebook, on Spotify, because new releases are coming soon, as I said before. So releases you get notified automatically. You don't need to listen to my announcements here. Yeah, that was more or less. Stay tuned. Dr. Pink, you want to say something? More jazz is coming soon, so stay tuned, subscribe, and hit the bell button that you get notified when a new tutorial is online. Yeah.